Blessings on your journey, sister. You're just radiating this womb power. Welcome to Leo season, my dear goddesses, my lionesses. This is your Sedona spiritual guide. Come get a fair trade, all organic latte at Peter's Potions, and all the proceeds are going to the chicken population. I mean, they're slaughtering these chickens like nothing, just so you can have your meat. Huh? My vision is for a heart-centered new earth. Come by Peter's Potions, LLC, anytime. My background, I am a galactic root worker, an earth steward, a spiritual intercessor. I do tarot, I do past life regression, I do hypnosis. You goddesses, I'm going to take care of you. We're going to get you the right stuff for your nervous system. We're going to get your womb healing going. I got everything for you. Afterwards, ladies, if you want to go out, I'll take you on a trail. I'll show you my favorite creek spots. Who's going to say no to that? Sending you all the blessings and the light codes straight from my heart. Receive it now. Sending it right now. See, I just hit you with that love, all right? Take that now. Mwah.